Hi, Blaze from QuickBooks here with another Payroll 101 lesson, this time looking at employers versus contractors. Of course, when you're looking at employers versus contractors, when you're trying to set up your worker, the first question that pops into mind is, does it really matter how you classify them? The answer is absolutely yes. You can receive fines of up to $25,000 per violation for a misclassification of a worker. So you must make sure that you have your workers classified appropriately as an employee or a contractor. If you're not sure, seek professional legal advice. And you can even use the HR advisory service within QuickBooks Online Payroll Elite. This service can be found on the Payrolls tab by going to the HR advisory section. And then you can even submit your question and information to your HR advisor, and they'll be able to tell you if that worker should be classified as an employee or a contractor. Now, at a high level, an employee is someone whom you direct their work and provide all the tools that they'll need to do their job. And at the end of the year, they'll receive a W-2. In contrast, a contractor is someone who tends to be hired and work for only a specific time period or on a specific project, and they provide their own tools and decide when and how to work best. At the end of the year, they'll receive a 1099 form. Again, make sure you have your workers classified properly as an employee or a contractor. Okay, time for a quick test. Can you tell me which one of these two is most likely an employee? Is it John, who you hired to provide social media support for your business? He handles his work using his own equipment and on his schedule and time. And he also happens to do the same work for other companies. Or is it Susan, who you hired to join your team, and you're the one who directs when she works and what tools to use and her day-to-day operations? Think you know the answer? So in this case, Susan is most likely the only one who is truly an employee. Hopefully you got it right. So in quick summary, while employees are someone who works under you, that you direct their work and provide equipment, contractors pretty much act like their own boss and use their own tools to do the work and tasks that you've assigned to them. And misclassification can result in penalties, so be sure to seek legal advice, whether it's through an outside source or using the HR advisor service available to you in QuickBooks Online Payroll Elite. Thank you so much and have a great day.